Do you ever feel like you're just spinning in circles, stuck in old habits? What if the key to progress isn't adding more, but simplifying what's already there? Today, we're exploring how embracing self-destruction can unlock your true potential. Welcome to Self-Craft Mastery, your guide to crafting your route to excellence. Part 1. The Illusion of Perfection. We live in a world that glorifies perfection. Perfect lives, perfect careers, perfect everything. But this pursuit of perfection often holds us back. Real growth comes when we accept that we are imperfect, and that's okay. Accepting our flaws gives us the space to evolve. Vulnerability, which is often seen as a weakness, is actually a powerful tool. Being open and honest about our struggles helps us connect more deeply with others and ourselves. Take Emily, for example. She constantly felt overwhelmed by her job's high expectations. But when she started accepting her imperfections and focused on improvement rather than perfection, her career and her life changed for the better. Her vulnerability helped her reach new heights. Part 2. Identifying limiting beliefs. Many of the obstacles we face come from limiting beliefs. Things we think are true but aren't. These beliefs can shape how we behave and ultimately what we achieve. The first step to overcoming them is identifying them. A great way to do this is by journaling. Write down the negative thoughts you repeat to yourself, like, "I'll never succeed," or "I'm not good enough." These are the beliefs holding you back. Next, challenge those beliefs. Ask yourself, is this really true? Then, replace them with positive affirmations like, "I am capable," or "I deserve success." Let's look at Lisa. For years, she told herself she wasn't creative enough to pursue her passion for design. But when she began questioning this belief, she started taking small steps toward her goals, and her whole perspective shifted. Part 3. Breaking free from bad habits. Habits have a huge impact on our lives. They can propel us forward or keep us stuck. Often, we don't even realize how deeply ingrained our bad habits are. These habits follow a loop. Cue, routine, reward. Maybe stress triggers binge watching TV for some temporary relief. The secret to breaking bad habits lies in disrupting the cycle. Instead of eliminating a habit outright, replace it with something positive. If stress makes you reach for junk food, try substituting that urge with a healthy walk or meditation session instead. Breaking free from bad habits requires consistency and patience, but the rewards are worth it. Part 4. Rebuilding yourself stronger. As you dismantle the old, you'll need to build up the new. A strong foundation requires self-care. Taking care of your mental and physical health is essential to keep moving forward. Once you've cleared out your limiting beliefs and bad habits, the next step is setting clear goals. Write down the specific, actionable steps you'll take to achieve your vision. It's the roadmap for the new you. And remember, every small step is progress. Celebrate the little victories. They'll keep you motivated. Lisa did just that. Once she started breaking free from her limiting beliefs and bad habits, she made it a point to celebrate every step forward. Completing a small design project, for example, became an occasion to reward herself, reinforcing her progress and helping her stay motivated. Today, we've seen how self-destruction, breaking down your limiting beliefs and bad habits, can pave the way for a stronger, more authentic you. It's not about tearing yourself down for no reason. It's about removing what's holding you back so you can rebuild yourself stronger than before. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to SelfCraft Mastery for more unconventional wisdom to elevate your life. As Brené Brown once said, vulnerability is not winning or losing. It's having the courage to show up and be seen when we have no control over the outcome. Let me know in the comments which habit or belief you're ready to destroy. And share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Together, we can support each other on this journey.